What if I told you that you could build a portfolio that pays you more money every single year, without adding more work? Not trading. Not timing the market. Not chasing hype stocks. Just a simple strategy that quietly turns small investments into a passive income machine. Today, we're breaking down what the Dividend Snowball Strategy really is, why it works so powerfully over time, and how one ETF, SCHD ETF, can help you build it. By the end of this video, you'll understand how investors are turning $100 per month into life-changing income. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with this, and remember to comment and share. Let's get into it. What is the Dividend Snowball? The Dividend Snowball Strategy is simple. You invest in assets that pay dividends, then you reinvest those dividends to buy more shares, which then pay even more dividends, and the cycle continues. Think of it like a snowball rolling downhill. At first, it's small, slow, almost unnoticeable. But over time, it grows faster and faster until it becomes unstoppable. The core formula: buy dividend-paying investments, collect dividends, reinvest dividends, increase your share count, repeat forever. That's it. No complicated strategies. No guessing market tops or bottoms. Just discipline and time. Why the snowball works? The magic behind this strategy is compounding. When you reinvest dividends, you're not just earning returns on your money, you're earning returns on your returns. Example: let's say you invest $10,000. 3.5% dividend yield equals $350 per year. Reinvest it, right pointing arrow. Now you own more shares next year, right pointing arrow. You earn dividends on a bigger base after 10, 20, 30 years. That income can explode. Key insight: most people focus on price growth, but wealthy investors focus on cash flow growth, because income is what gives you freedom. Why SCHD is perfect for this strategy. Now let's talk about why SCHD ETF is one of the best tools for this strategy. What is SCHD? SCHD is an ETF that invests in high-quality U.S. companies, strong balance sheets, consistent dividend growth. Think companies like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Texas Instruments, Home Depot. These are not risky startups. These are cash-generating machines. Why SCHD stands out: strong dividend yield around 3 to 4%. Historically, dividend growth payments tend to increase over time. Low expense ratio: you keep more of your returns. Quality screening focuses on financially strong companies. Key advantage: you're not picking individual stocks, you're buying a basket of elite dividend companies in one ETF. How to build the snowball with SCHD. Let's break this down step by step. Step 1. Start investing consistently, even if it's $50 per month, $100 per month, $500 per month. Consistency beats timing. Step 2. Turn on DRIP. DRIP equals dividend reinvestment plan. This automatically takes your dividends, buys more SCHD shares, no effort required. Step 3. Stay invested long term. This is not a get-rich-quick strategy. This is a get-rich-slow and guaranteed mindset. Step 4. Be patient the first few years. It feels slow. But around year 10 to 15, that's when the snowball starts accelerating fast. Realistic snowball growth. Let's paint a realistic picture. Scenario $500 per month investment, 8% average return, dividends reinvested after 10 years, right pointing arrow tilde $90,000, 20 years, right pointing arrow tilde $300,000, 30 years, right pointing arrow tilde $750,000 plus. Now imagine the dividend income. 3.5% yield on $750,000 equals tilde $26,000 per year. That's passive income, without selling a single share. Mistakes to avoid. Even simple strategies can fail if you make these mistakes. 1. Chasing high yield. A 10% yield might look attractive, but it's often a trap. Focus on quality plus growth, not just yield. 2. Stopping contributions. The snowball needs fuel. If you stop investing early, you slow down the entire process. 3. Panic selling. Markets will crash. SCHD will drop sometimes. That's normal. Selling destroys compounding. 4. Ignoring time. This strategy works best over decades, not months. Advanced snowball strategy. Once you understand the basics, you can level it up. Combine ETFs. Pair SCHD with growth ETF, like VTI, international ETF. This balances income growth diversification. Increase contributions over time. Every raise, every bonus, increase your investment. Reinvest, then switch to income at retirement. Turn off drip. Start collecting dividends as income. Now the snowball pays you. The big picture. The dividend snowball isn't flashy. It won't make you rich overnight. But it does something better. It builds reliable, growing income. It removes emotional investing. It creates financial freedom over time, and ETFs like SCHD ETF make it easier than ever. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. If you made it this far, you now understand a strategy that most people overlook. While others chase trends, you can build something that pays you for life. If you found value in this video, hit like, subscribe for more investing content, and comment below. Snowball if you're starting this strategy.